When I was living in Puerto Rico in the year 2013, I went to an orthodontist and he said, "Hey man, sorry to tell you this, but some people, their jaws like grow after they're already grown up. And that's what happened to you. Maybe it's in your genetics, whatever, but we have to do surgery." He was telling me like I could ruin my nerve and even lose like some sensation in the lower lip. There's no guarantee that you're gonna have a perfect bite after that. You're first gonna have to wear braces again and then wait for like a year for those teeth to align in position. And then we got a cut there, and then you gotta like wear some weird wiring in your teeth. And I saw Dr. Muslim results and it was just incredible. I made it a goal in my life to change my life financially and be able to afford this. 5-6 years, here we are, and I have my smile restored and everything that I ever dreamed of having. No surgery, bite correction. Saw the results. People like, they don't have pain anymore. They can sleep better. Their face profile changes completely. It's done like in a few days, like 1 or 2 days. You're literally being transformed into this new person. I have to say that I'm really grateful for all the team, for this amazing dream that came true in my life, and this amazing vision that Sam and his staff, but primarily him, he had many years ago, and he's changing the lives of many people.